Hi guys, so Bodhi and I today made these elephants and they're just out of old milk bottle cartons and some little bits we had around the house. We made a video of us making them for you, and we thought if you wanted to send us in any ideas or craft activities you've made at home to Wesley, it'd be really nice to see what you've been making with your mummies and daddies. So I hope you enjoy our video and I hope you're all safe at home, having lots of fun. Hey guys, so here I am at my home with Bodhi.
Hello.
Say hi. And we've been doing some activities at home, just using whatever your mum or dad might be throwing away that you've used. We're doing stuff with milk bottles, we're making stuff with polystyrene, bottom of milk bottles, we've got leftover foil from Easter eggs, and we've been making some cool animals, haven't we? And we thought we'd like to share it with you to see if you want to make one at home. So you just take a milk bottle like everyone has in the fridge. Wait till it's empty, of course, or Mum might not be too happy. And then what are you going to make, Bo?
I'm going to make a bird feeder.
A bird feeder. And what's your bird feeder going to look like?
Well, obviously, I'm going to put something there.
Yeah.
And the birds are going to fly up there.
Okay.
They might have some fun stuff to do in there. Then all the food's going to be there. Then I'm going to decorate it, and then I'm just going to do something else to it.
That's really good. So I'm going to get this milk bottle, it's a 4-pint one, and I'm going to try and chop it in half. Let your mummy or daddy do this bit for you, because it might be a little bit sharp. I cut yours, didn't I?
Cut mine.
And then, do you want this one?
What?
Do you need this one for anything?
Yep.
Okay. So there, look, it looks like a little elephant. And there's its like body, and there's its trunk, and then you can decorate it any way you want. So Bodhi's going to decorate that one, and I'm going to decorate.
Even do stripes.
Even do stripes, and I'm going to do a mummy one. So we've got our glue.
Wait, if I have enough time, can I do 2 things in?
I'm sure you can. I've got some glue. Are you going to use some glue?
I might. Some glue.
What are you going to make?
Always guys at home, wipe your brush before you get it out.
That's a good idea. Always wash your brush before you get it out. And then I'm going to put some gold on my elephant. My elephant's really colourful.
So Mum, is your elephant going to have stripes and gold or just gold?
Oh, I don't know. Might have spots, stripes, hearts.
So obviously everything.
What do you think our friends at Wesley will be making? Stripes?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Probably green and blue with some stripes at the bottom.
That'd be awesome, wouldn't it? So you can make anything you want. Bodhi used this one earlier. He was going to make a bird bath, weren't you, Bose?
Yeah. But until I realised it wouldn't fit.
Oh, why wouldn't it fit?
All 3 things, so I'm just,
Okay.
doing it even better.
I like it.
I realised that whole 3 thing wouldn't fit.
Oh.
I just realised. And then I figured out that I could do a better thing.
Well, there you go then. That's what happens sometimes when you're making
Yep.
stuff. You realise, actually, it's going to be even better to do something else.
Or if it doesn't work, make something cooler.
Good idea.
Like probably a monster truck.
Yeah. We'd love to know, wouldn't we, Bodhi, what you're making at home.
We'd love to know if she was making a monster truck at home.
Yeah, we would. We'd really like that, wouldn't we?
Yep.
We'd love to see your ideas for what you're making at
We
your
would
house.
love, Mum, I bet, would love to see your Elma.
Oh, I would love to see an Elmer, you're right. I think they probably do a better Elmer than I am. My Elmer looks pretty poor right now.
What? Look at mine.
Yeah, that's really good. And this is just some wrapping paper that we had left. So you can use anything, guys. Old pictures, newspaper, whatever you want to use that you've got at home. There's no point going out spending money on little bits. You can make anything.
There's no point just going and spending money for little work, little stuff, like little painting stuff and stuff.
You can just use what you've got in the cupboard.
Yes. And these people brought paintbrushes.
Yeah.
Cut
And then
the
drop
paintbrush.
drop your paintbrushes. I like it. Thank you. You're very kind.
But even if you had an old paintbrush, you could cut the old paintbrush.
Good idea. You could use an old paintbrush
And cut it.
and cut it and have hair on your elephant. Great idea.
And then cut the feathers off
And cut the feathers off.
and then go.
Yeah, and sprinkle it on top like that. I
And then
love it.
It's my glue.
Love it. What do you think of my elephant so far? Can you do a better job? Maybe. What are you making?
I'm gonna make a bird feeder. Obviously.
Oh, obviously. I can't believe I didn't see that. It's obviously a bird feeder. A fantastic bird feeder. Are you going to put some gold squares on your bird feeder?
I just put it the wrong way. I'm meant to put it to there so the birds can get inside.
That's really good.
I literally put it. Now I need to glue everything again.
Oh no.
Let's just see if I got something wrong. And Dad's like, I got something wrong. Mom, you can keep a paintbrush.
Oh, thank you. And we just, hours of fun. Just making stuff out of an old milk bottle carton. And we've got lots more activities.
Like,
What else have
even
we been
if you
doing?
had old wheels.
Old wheels? What would you use your old wheels for?
Like old like, you know, like my Batmobile? If you had little old wheels of that, you could get them off and make a big something. Like make a big monster truck or something.
Yeah, if you've got your own ideas of what you can make at home, guys, let us know. We'd love to see what you're making.
Yeah,
And
we
we-
would love it.
And we love ideas for what we can make. Can't we, Bo?
Yep, we
We love making stuff. We've
Yeah.
been making lots of things.
I've even made a space helmet myself.
You did make a space Elmer yourself. It was really good. And look, what do you think of my Elmer? Is she looking good?
Yeah, she is looking good.
Oh, you're looking good. Do you want some little gold things on there? On your bird bath so the birds can see?
This.
I'm going to draw some little eyes with a pen. Da, da, da.
Or if you had old milk bottle lids, you could get them and stick them on your eyes for your eyes.
What a fantastic idea. Why didn't I think of that? Great idea. That would be perfect.
We're running out of glue, guys.
So, there's Nikki's Elmer. Bodhi's going to carry on with his bird bath feeder. And let us know if you have a go. Let us know if you make something. Let us know your ideas. Hope everyone's staying safe. Make sure you wash your hands and have fun with your family. Thanks, guys. Bye.